Hello, welcome again. We are solving IIT physics. The topic is induced EMF and AC circuit. Question number 16 from year 2019 is consider the LR circuit shown in the figure. If the switch S is closed at t is equal to 0, then the amount of charge that passes through the battery between t is equal to 0 and t is equal to L by R is. So this is the circuit LR circuit and options are 7.3 EL by R square and 2.7 EL by R square 3 EL divided by 2.7 R square 4 EL by 7.3 R square. So this is a similar question that we have solved question number 14. Okay, so here the answer is in terms of E. If we put the value of E, that is 2.7, then we get the answer. So this is a similar same question. Okay, okay. So answer is this EL by 2.7 R square. Same question. Last expression is ER by E by R, L by ER, putting a value of E, that is 2.7, option 3. So refer previous video. Okay, so answer is option 3. That is simple derivation. Okay, next, a coil of self inductance 10 millihenry and resistance 0.1 ohm is connected through a switch to a battery of internal resistance 0.9. After the switch is closed, the time taken for the current to attain 80% of the saturation value is options are 1.016 second, 2.002 second, 3.103 second, 4.324 second. Okay, the total resistance is this is the resistance of coil 0.1 ohm and internal resistance of battery 0.99 ohm. So the total resistance is 1 ohm. And in LC circuit, the current is given by I is equal to epsilon by R bracket 1 minus E minus R by LT. Okay, so this is the expression that we have derived in previous questions. Okay, so the when the saturation condition arrives, then I max is equal to E by R, epsilon by R. Okay, and according to given condition that I by I max is 0.8. Okay, so putting the value of this I and I by I max or I by epsilon into R 0.8 is equal to then we have this is 0.8 I by epsilon into R. Okay, 0.8 and this time t is your so time t and R by L is R is your 1 ohm and L self inductance is also given 10 millihenry. Okay, or 10 to minus 3. Okay, 10 to 10 minus 3, or it will be solving it out 0.8 1 minus 1 by E 100 t or E 1 by E 100 t is equal to 1 minus 0.8 or 0.2 or E 100 t is equal to 5 and taking ln both sides it will be 100 t ln 5. So t will be your ln 5 is you have to remember ln 5. Okay, is not given in the question. So remember ln 5 that is 1.6. So t is 0.016 second. Okay, option 1 is the right answer. Next, a circuit connected to an AC source of EMF E is equal to E naught sin 100 t with t in second gives a phase difference of pi by 4 between EMF and current I. Which of the following circuit will exhibit this option? One RC circuit with R is equal to 1 kilo ohm and C is equal to 1 microfarad. 2 RC circuit with R is equal to 1 kilo ohm and C is equal to 10 microfarad. 3 RL circuit with R is equal to 1 kilo ohm and L is equal to 10 millihenry. RL circuit with R is equal to 1 kilo ohm and L is equal to 1 millihenry. So capacitive reactance is given as by 1 by omega C. Okay. And in the first case, C is your 1 microfarad. Okay. And you will 10 over 6 divided by 100, 1 over 10 over 4. And the resistance is given as 1 kilo ohm. Okay. And the phase angle is XC by R, or sorry, phase angle divided by tangent pi XC by R, because there is no XL, so this is a formula XC by R. So this is 10, so it does not give pi as pi by 4. Okay, this is not 45. Okay, so this is not the answer. Okay, next, in the second case, the capacitive reactance is 1 by omega C, or the value 10 over 6 divided by 100 into 10, because C is 10 microfarad and omega is 100. Okay, okay, and R is 1